In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Twitter. So it looks just like this. Now, if you're looking to do this on desktop, click the banner at the top right of this video now to be taken there, as this video is for mobile. Anyway, this works for iOS and Android devices, so you can follow along on either, and it's very easy to do and takes like under a minute of your time, so let's just get right into it. First of all, come to your Twitter app, of course, and once you're on your feed, press the three lines at the top left of the screen, and then a sidebar will fly out. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you tap that, a list of settings will come up, and we need to press on the Display and Sound option. When you get here, you'll see a bunch of toggle options, but the one that we're looking for is dark mode, which is just under media previews here. So just tap that. Now, there are a couple of options to choose from, but first of course we need to turn dark mode on, so just tap the toggle next to it. Now you can choose the theme to go with, so this is what the dim theme looks like. Let's just go to the feed, and you can sort of see that it's a dark blue color. And let's just go back and see what lights out looks like. Turn it on, and so you can see it's pretty much just black instead of the dark blue color. Comment down below what color you prefer, I'd love to know, but I like the dim theme, so I'm just going to leave it on that. But yeah, that's how you turn on dark mode on Twitter, so if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'll try and help you out. But if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, as it helps to get this video out to more people. And don't forget to let me know in the comments if this is still working. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.